Blasting into history. Students from across the district are taking part in several interactive activities to commemorate the 250th anniversary of the United States. Here at the Beaufort History Museum, students are stepping back into time, learning hands-on about what life was like for Revolutionary War soldiers in our area.
It's like showing us our history of our city.
Back in the day in the war, we don't know about all that stuff, so now that we're learning, and now we would learn more about what the war and what they did back in the day.
Members of the Beaufort High School JROTC are showing elementary students the exciting process of loading and firing a cannon.
I'm helping out with the cannon, and we're just learning all the processes you have to go over to load and fire a cannon. It's a lot of fun, and we get to teach the elementary schoolers how to do it as well.
Students are also learning about the Declaration of Independence
and the pursuit of happiness.
Exploring battles that were fought in the area.
We were acting out the Battle of Port Royal, and the Americans won.
Learning about boats that were used during the conflict, and much more.
It was cool because you don't see a lot of boats that have the same end. That one has the same end, so when it was going through shallow water, they could roll the barrels to one side, and then it would get them out of the marsh, so they wouldn't get stuck in the marsh.
Students also had the opportunity to take part in the bicentennial celebration of Marquis de Lafayette arriving in Beaufort during his 1824 tour of the United States. They paraded through the streets while discovering the significant role the French general played in the American Revolution. District students will participate in several other events marking the 250th anniversary of the United States, with celebrations continuing till July 4th. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.